14 people email me every day. I can't handle it. There's so much email I can't manage. It's too many emails. Many people have awakened, and that makes me happy. People are waking up, leaving behind Judaism, Yahushua, Yeshua, Yahweh, Jehovah, Catholicism, Spiritism, Protestantism, and evangelical churches. They want to force their name on your forehead. Can you imagine? Creatures, mortal beings who use the bathroom trying to name the Creator. It's so absurd. Where has this ever been seen? Jewish creatures trying to name the Creator. Creatures trying to name the Messiah. How absurd is that? So my brothers, the timeline is clear. When the Messiah dies, it resets. From then until his return, 2 days, 2,000 years, the calendar has been reset. So the calendar we use today, the Greco-Roman Julian calendar, has a margin of error of 5 to 15 years. It's simple. What do? Take 2013, subtract 33 years, and add a margin of error of 5 to 15 years. You'll see we're still close to the Messiah's return, as he said, "Just before I return, love will grow cold." It already has. He said, "Children will kill parents." That's happening. He said, "Technology will multiply." Everything predicted in tech has occurred, and there'd be many rumors of war which happened over 20 years ago. So, my brothers, it's simple. Just do the math. 2013 minus 33 years, which starts for us as the Greco-Roman calendar began at birth. Wrong. For us, the New Covenant, the New Testament, the Messiah begins at his death. So from his death in 85 to 1995. So we're very close to discovering the true calendar. The beast on the throne will mark 1,997 years since the Messiah's death. If the beast sits on the throne, it'll be 1,996 or 1,997 years since the Messiah died. The beast has 1,335 days or 3.5 years to complete 2,000 years. What did the devil receive from earth? How much of the world did the devil conquer? Our Father gave him 7,000 years. 5,000 years were before the Messiah's death. After the Messiah's death, 2 more days or 2,000 years begin. So how much time is left now? To know our year, we just need the beast to sit on the throne. When he sits, there'll be 1,335 days left. We'll be in year 1996.5, comma, or about 97, around that time. It's simple, not difficult. Do the math. For those doubting what I'm saying, it's simple. Where does the New Testament begin? Isn't it at the death? From Messiah's death to now, his return, it's 2,000 years. But the Greco-Roman calendar starts at his birth. There was a change in dates, law, and times of the law. So there's a 5 to 15 year margin of error. We'll know the year when the beast takes the throne. When that happens, we'll be in 1,996.5 to 97. 1,096.5 to 97 plus 1335 days makes 2,000 years. Messiah said, "In 2 days I'll return." It's in Hosea 5:15, 6, 1, 3. It's written right here. Do you understand, brothers? It's simple. Take 2013, subtract 33 years. They falsified it. They started at his birth, but it starts at his death. When he dies, he says, "I go to prepare a place. After 2 days, I'll return. I'll restore those who died, were beheaded. I will restore." Those fleeing the beast of apocalypse, the Antichrist, each calls it something different. The eighth king, as scripture says, but when he takes the throne, everyone must flee. Then 1,335 days remain. Then the comet falls, the locusts come. All I said about apocalypse in Hangouts, I'll make detailed videos on it soon. You'll better grasp what the Messiah meant. In 2 days, he'd return to revive the beheaded. And then, on the third day, first, listen up. On the second day, he ascends to heaven. On the third, he returns, resurrects the condemned. Then the devil is freed, deceiving everyone. Then comes the judgment. That's what will really happen, brother. It's going to be terrible. But I'll discuss this later in the book of Revelation. Do you understand, my brothers? That's the gist of it. 2013 minus 33 years from Christ's death is when the calendar starts. Add a margin of error of 5 to 15 years. It's very challenging. I've tried out, visited Turkey, Greece, other places. It's just not possible. We'll know our year when the Antichrist takes the throne, even secretly. If he does, a comet will fall as a warning. It'll be our sign. Revelation says clearly, a comet will fall within 30 days of his reign. Listen, the comet will crash into the ocean. A third of all ships worldwide will be destroyed by tsunamis. A third of all coastal residents will perish. This is the sign to watch for. I'll discuss Revelation and future events at the right time. Be patient as I'm starting with the Old Testament. Remember, the Messiah warned, beware of false prophets. False prophets aren't just shepherds of sheep. Only the priests. Moses is the false prophet. Elijah and Elisha were false prophets. He heard the desert god, the devil, and killed. The scriptures say, thou shalt not kill. Want to know a true prophet? From Adam and Eve to Revelation, want to meet someone genuine? Want to know? It's clear. Take the commandments, love God and others. If they follow these, they're God's prophet. If not, they're the devil's prophet. Remember, beware of false prophets. Moses, false prophet. Elijah, false prophet. Many say Elijah will return. Read scripture. John the Baptist. John the Baptist went to the desert just like Elijah did. John the Baptist went. But Elijah was deceived by the desert god. John the Baptist, however, was not. John, when meeting priests and pastors of the time, called them a brood of vipers. You sent your father, the devil, to trick me in the desert, but he failed. He didn't fool me. John the Baptist lost his head because of this. Why? The desert god who deceived Elijah, Moses, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Elisha, didn't follow the commandments. These men didn't pass the test. That same desert god who tempted John and later the Messiah tempted Moses, who fell. He tempted Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Solomon, David, all these men, my brothers. Compare the 10 Commandments with the prophets to know who's true and who's false. Those who disrespected the commandments of love are the true prophets. The one who respected them is a false prophet. Be smart. Think. Our Father gave you a mind to think with. It's simple. Take the commandments. Love God, love your neighbor. Compare all prophets and apostles from both testaments. You'll know who's real and who's fake. That's the message, my brothers.